Hello ladies and gentlemen, here we go with another video for you. We got Hornady. We got the 44 Magnum right there. And we're at 100 yards. What we're going to do, we are doing a 2D print. Basically, this is a good enough science. It ain't exact, nothing like that. We're just comparing the entry hole, getting some expansion, and comparing the exit hole, or the hole in the second board. And then taking a look at the bullet on how it expands and the retention of it as well. So y'all stay tuned and see how this one holds out.
All right, here we go. Got 2D print the Hornady now. All right, let's go see what we got. All right, here we go on the 2D print. Got it right there. Well, technically we've got a hole. We can definitely take a look at it. There's our inner hole. That's our outer hole. Blew up the flower. Yep, almost out the second pair of jeans, so it's been consistent with the groupage. When we did the water catch on the other video, which was just a couple of minutes ago, but for y'all, it's probably going to be a couple of weeks, maybe even a month. But yeah, it's consistently consistent, so that is good. So we'll take that back to the house. Take a look.
All right, folks, here we go. We got the 2D print, the Hornady XTPs right here, 300 grain. It's out at 100 yards. What we did was hit the first board, had the flower, get the expansion, and we're just looking. This is getting the measurements of the hole that it makes. You know what kind of hole it's making afterwards. Because see, we got, this is what's neat. Okay, that's the entry hole. That's 3.6. It's always like this with wood. 3.6 versus 4.2. Yep, 4.2. It's always smaller. But here we go. We're going to try to do this. So we got a 4.2. That's roughly edge to edge. It's going to be off just a little. So we're punching a 7.9 hole right there. Now this is definitely going to be shaky. It's about the hole right there, 7.1, 7.9, basically squared up. It's a good looking bullet too, just for looking at the expansion of this going. This right here, traveling through the board, hitting the flower, and then hitting this next board, dumping it, and then getting caught in the denim. Right there, you see the lines from the denim. Let's see what kind of expansion we got going on. That looks like that's the widest point. 6.7. So the bullet's a little bit smaller than the hole, which is 7.1, top to bottom, 7.4. Now, just to give you all that, this was just through water, punching water. This was caught in denim, just hitting water, and this one was hitting the board, hitting the flower, hitting the board, caught in denim. I mean, they're still. I'm liking that. That is pretty darn good. There's your reference right there. That is that. I mean, that is nice. That is a lot right there if you're looking at it. But there we are, and there you go. Thanks for watching. Oh, let's get the weight on that one. 300, 290. Wow. I mean, granted, it does have some denim on it. I'm not going to shave that off. That is nice. That is very nice. This one was down to 275. So there we go. And there you are. Thanks for watching.